So Fabrice, at this morning's keynote speech, your CEO was talking about how Panasonic are engineering a better world. He also said that when people think of Panasonic, they think of TVs. So hopefully you're engineering a better TV as well.
Yes.
And here we have the ZT60, the new flagship plasma.
Yeah.
And Sebastian, talk a little bit about the ZT.
Sure. So yes, we are showing the new plasma range. So we will give more details regarding the European range a bit later in February, as usual, as we do. But what we are showing some of those here. So as you said, the ZT60, which is the top end. So we are using on this, what is new on this model is a brand new panel. So what differs from what we traditionally have on the plasma is that the filter now is molded onto the panel.
Right.
So it gives us actually a better black level, a better brightness, and what we have as well is in terms of color reproduction, especially of the red, it's closer to what it is.
Yeah.
So in terms of the color reproduction, with 98% of DCI on those models.
98% DCI.
Yes.
Oh,
so that's the key. That's the key points of this model. Is a brand new panel, which is different from the VT60 that we are showing next to it, which is the natural replacement of VT50, which uses the same panel as same Timbers panel as VT today. So the filter is more traditional. But we made some improvement, same on the black level, on the speed, processing speed of the panel. So there will be some improvement. We are not static even on the VT, but we introduce a new step, which is the ZT.
You mentioned earlier about the brightness of the ZT60. One of the few criticisms really of the VT50 last year was that, particularly in its pro modes, it wasn't as bright as it could have been. How much brighter is the ZT going to be?
Well, I don't have the exact details of what is the difference between the VT of the ZT, but there's a general improvement regarding this new range. So I think you will have the possibility to test it when you will have the products. I don't have the exact figures at the moment because it's still brand new, and but hopefully you will see an improvement.
There's been quite a bit of talk about Panasonic no longer doing any R&D in plasma. So is the ZT60 kind of the zenith of plasma technology? Is that where we?
No, I mean it's been some rumored. We never said that we are stopping R&D on plasma. As you've seen here, we are still committed to plasma technology. We have a wide range, but the market is changing, so we have to spend more focus on other things. So LED is one, OLED as well, because a lot of resources that were on R&D on plasma, some of those people, they move to OLED. So it's a natural way. So we are not stopping, it's just we have to refocus our resources where it's needed. So we are still committed to plasma, obviously.
Yeah.
And after we made some changes internally, so there are, so many rumors around that I stopped counting them.
Always rumors.
But the business is changing fast, so we need to adapt to that. But as you can see today, we're still committed to plasma technology.
And one of the refinements I noticed on the VT60 is the inclusion of a camera.
Yes.
I noticed that's not on the ZT60.
No.
Any particular reason why it's not on the flagship?
Well, that must sound strange, but what we've done is basically the key point of the ZT is the panel. So we want to position the ZT as the reference TV and everything about the panel. This panel is actually quite tricky to produce. So there's a lot of cost that goes into the panel. So in order to keep the products at a reasonable level, and that's I can't tell you now, but that will be a reasonable level compared to the VT. We decided to make some decisions, so the camera is gone, but it's on the VT. You can still use an external camera anyway as an option, but this product is all about the panel and the picture quality.
Right.
So for the other features, you will have to look at the VT, which got a lot of functionalities.